Lot S186 is a 1969 Chevrolet K5 Blazer with a 454 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $68,200 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 2,727 miles, and the highlights are one of only 4,935 produced for 1969, the first year of the Blazer. 454 cubic inch V8 engine, Holley 750 CFM carburetor, Hooker headers with Flowmaster exhaust system, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, power brakes, power steering, bucket seats with console, updated CD radio, BF Goodrich all-terrain T8 tires, side steps, and wood rim steering wheel. And this one, in 1969, you couldn't get a big block in a Blazer. Actually, they never had a big block in a Blazer. You could get the 400 small block, but the owner decided to put a big block in it, so he might as well go with the biggest, so he put a 454 in it and a turbo 400 automatic transmission. But it definitely was an eye-catcher with the bright color. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.